Welcome to the How Guide, your go-to channel for practical tips, smart technology, and easy-to-follow guides that help you work smarter, not harder. Today we're talking about one of the biggest reasons people fail to get great results from AI, and the title says it all. Stop doing this with your AI tools. Artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful technologies available today, capable of helping you write content, generate ideas, solve problems, analyze information, create presentations, and automate repetitive tasks in seconds. Yet, despite all these incredible capabilities, many people still end up frustrated because they unknowingly make simple mistakes that dramatically reduce the quality of AI's responses. The good news is that these mistakes are easy to fix, and once you understand how to work with AI instead of against it, you'll get faster, smarter, and more accurate results every time. The first mistake is treating AI like a search engine instead of a collaborative assistant. People often type 2 or 3 words like "write article" or "make presentation" and expect a perfect answer. But AI performs much better when you provide context. Tell it what you're trying to accomplish, who the audience is, what tone you want, how long the content should be, and what outcome you're expecting. The more specific your instructions are, the better the results become. Another common mistake is expecting the very first response to be perfect. Think about working with a human assistant. You would naturally provide feedback and ask for revisions until everything meets your expectations. AI works exactly the same way. Instead of accepting the first draft or giving up because it wasn't perfect, continue the conversation. Ask it to improve the introduction, simplify the explanation, make the tone more professional, add examples, shorten the content, or rewrite specific sections. The best AI users don't ask one great prompt. They have great conversations with AI. Another major mistake is using vague prompts. If you simply ask AI to write about marketing, it has to guess what you actually want. Do you want a beginner's guide, a professional analysis, a YouTube script, or a social media post? Instead, give clear instructions like, write a 1,000-word beginner-friendly YouTube script explaining 5 digital marketing strategies with simple examples and an engaging tone. Clear prompts lead to clear answers. Many people also make the mistake of copying AI's output without reviewing it. While AI is incredibly capable, it isn't perfect. Sometimes it may include outdated information, awkward wording, repetitive phrases, or facts that should be verified. Always take a few minutes to read through the final result. Add your own personality, check the facts, and make sure everything matches your goals before publishing or sharing it. Another productivity mistake is constantly jumping between multiple AI tools. Some users have one tool for brainstorming, another for writing, another for editing, another for summarizing, and another for formatting. While different tools certainly have different strengths, switching back and forth all day often wastes more time than it saves. Learn your favorite AI tool deeply before assuming you need another one. You might be surprised by how many tasks a single AI platform can already handle effectively. Another powerful tip is assigning a role before asking your question. Instead of simply asking for advice, tell the AI who you want it to become. For example, ask it to act as a professional teacher, an experienced software developer, a marketing consultant, a financial advisor, or a YouTube growth expert. Giving AI a clear role helps it generate more focused, relevant, and useful responses. People also forget to specify formatting. If you want bullet points, say so. If you need a numbered list, a table, a professional email, a video script, or a step-by-step guide, include those instructions in your prompt. AI can't read your mind, so the clearer you are about the format, the closer the output will match your expectations. Another serious mistake is relying on AI without verifying important information. AI is excellent for brainstorming, organizing ideas, and explaining concepts. But when it comes to subjects like finance, law, medicine, science, or business decisions, you should always double-check important facts using reliable sources. AI should support your thinking, not replace your judgment. Many users also overload AI with massive prompts, asking it to perform 10 different tasks at once. Instead of requesting an entire project in one message, Break it into smaller steps. First, ask for an outline, then expand each section. Next, improve the wording, strengthen the examples, and finally, proofread everything. Working step by step almost always produces higher quality results. Another overlooked technique is encouraging AI to ask questions before answering. Simply include a sentence like, "If you need more information before completing this task, ask me questions first." This allows AI to gather missing details instead of making assumptions, resulting in much more personalized and accurate responses. One habit that separates experienced AI users from beginners is building a library of successful prompts. Whenever you create a prompt that produces excellent results, save it. Over time, you'll have reusable templates for writing emails, creating YouTube scripts, generating business ideas, summarizing documents, or producing social media content, allowing you to work much faster and more consistently. Another effective strategy is providing examples. If you want AI to write in a certain style, show it an example of the tone or format you like. Whether it's a previous article, an email, or one of your own YouTube scripts, examples help AI understand your expectations much better than general instructions. Also, remember to define your audience. The way you explain a topic to beginners should be very different from how you explain it to professionals. Tell AI exactly who the content is for, so it can adjust the vocabulary, examples, and level of detail accordingly. Perhaps the biggest mistake of all is expecting AI to replace human creativity. AI is an incredibly powerful assistant, but your personal experiences, opinions, storytelling, and unique perspective are what make your work stand out. Use AI to speed up your workflow, generate ideas, and improve your content. But don't remove yourself from the creative process. The best results always come from combining human creativity with artificial intelligence. Finally, remember that AI technology is evolving incredibly fast. New features, better models, and smarter capabilities are released all the time. So continue experimenting, learning, and improving your prompting skills. The more you understand how AI works, the more value you'll get from every interaction. So before blaming your AI tool for poor results, ask yourself whether you're giving it the information it needs to help you succeed. Small changes in the way you communicate with AI can produce dramatically better outcomes and save you countless hours of work. If you found this guide helpful and want more practical tutorials on AI, technology, productivity, and everyday problem solving, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the How Guide, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.